a depth of approximately 50 feet, we discovered a rock formation resembling the face of a turtle. According to the Yamashita Dream Book, this symbol points toward the direction of the entrance. Following this clue, we eventually uncovered what appears to be the entrance to a tunnel. This discovery strongly supports the meaning of the turtle sign, indicating that we are following the correct path toward a possible hidden chamber. Furthermore, the Yamashita Dream Book states that such entrances are often sealed with pink-colored concrete cement. This unique material serves as a definite marker, confirming that the spot is indeed an entrance.
Ang mukha ng pagong. Sa lalim na humigit kumulang 50 talampakan, natagpuan namin ang isang batong kahugis ng mukha ng pagong. Ayon sa Yamashita Dream Book, ang simbolong ito ay palatandaan na may tinuturo itong direksyon, patungo sa entrance. Matapos sundan ang palatandaang ito, natagpuan namin ang isang tila pasukan ng tunnel. Pinatibay nito ang paniniwala naming tama ang direksyon na aming sinusundan. Ayon pa rin sa Yamashita Dream Book, ang mga ganitong entrance ay karaniwang sinasarado gamit ang pink concrete cement. Ang kakaibang kulay nito ay nagsisilbing malinaw na palatandaan na ito na ang pasukan.